Welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm going to show you how to use layers in Photoshop. So this is our canvas and we'll randomly use the brush. Now if you want to completely erase it, then you have to manually erase it from your eraser tool. But if you click the layer icon, a blank layer will be created and you can paint, draw, or do anything on this layer. You can simply unselect the layer and the whole thing will be gone. You can manually erase it if you want and it won't affect the bottom layer or the main canvas. So let's create something using the layers. This is an artwork, I got it from online. The artwork itself is a layer and everything you put inside Photoshop will be counted as a layer. Layers are also very helpful when you want to change the platform of each layer. For example, I want the brush layer to go on top of our art layer and I can easily do that. I'll use the blending option to merge it together. Now I want to put another random photo on top of everything and it will also be counted as a layer, and I can play around with the blending options too. Now as you can see, it looks okay, but I want to erase extra part of it, so I'll erase only this layer and the other layers won't be affected. Finally, I want to put a text which is also a layer, and I want to put this layer under this image. So this is it. It was a very easy and simple tutorial and you can do many things with layers. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps.